Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best whipped cream dispensers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a home chef, a dessert enthusiast, or just looking to add some flair to your culinary creations, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kaddio Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. This product is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $24.98. Despite its affordable price, it offers a robust set of features that makes it a great entry-level choice. The Kaddio dispenser is constructed entirely from food-grade aluminum, ensuring both durability and safety. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for occasional use or for those who are new to whipped cream dispensers. In terms of design, the Kaddio features an ergonomic grip and a strong silicone seal ring that prevents leaks. It's equipped with 3 decorating nozzles, giving you flexibility for different designs and culinary presentations. Whether you're topping off a dessert, creating nitro coffee, or experimenting with savory dishes, this dispenser covers the basics. Cleanup is also straightforward, thanks to its dishwasher-safe components and the included cleaning brush. However, there are some trade-offs at this price point. The aluminum construction, while durable, doesn't offer the same level of longevity or premium feel as stainless steel models. Additionally, with a slightly lower user rating of 4.0 stars, some users have noted occasional issues with the seal over time. Overall, the Kaddio is perfect for casual users or those on a tight budget. If you're looking for an affordable way to try out a whipped cream dispenser, this is a great starting point. Coming in at number 4 is the Dine Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. Priced at $29.99, this model strikes a fantastic balance between affordability and functionality. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, the Dine dispenser is designed to be durable, lightweight, and easy to use. It's a versatile tool that not only whips cream, but can also be used for mousses, butter, and even scrambled eggs. What sets the Dine apart is its thoughtful design. It features an ergonomic body for comfortable handling, and the package includes 3 plastic and 3 stainless steel nozzles, giving you plenty of options for decorative finishes. The dispenser is also freezer and fridge safe, which is a great bonus for prepping ahead of time. Plus, with an included recipe guide, it's perfect for beginners looking to explore creative culinary ideas. On the downside, while the aluminum build is durable, it doesn't quite match the premium feel of stainless steel models. Some users have also noted that the plastic nozzles may not be as durable as their stainless counterparts. Still, with a solid 4.3-star rating and a reputation for reliability, the Dine dispenser is an excellent choice for home chefs who want to step up from the basics without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the EurKitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser. Priced at $36.99, this product is a fan favorite, boasting a sleek black satin finish that not only looks premium, but also resists wear and tear over time. With its professional-grade design, this dispenser is perfect for both home and light commercial use. The EurKitchen model is made from high-quality aluminum, offering a sturdy yet lightweight build that's easy to handle. This dispenser shines in its versatility. From whipped cream to keto-friendly toppings, nitro cold brew coffee, and even fluffy scrambled eggs, the EurKitchen can handle a variety of culinary tasks. It comes with 3 decorating nozzles, a cleaning brush, and a mesh storage bag, making it a complete package. The reinforced threads and leak-free design ensure a reliable performance every time you use it. Plus, the lifetime warranty adds peace of mind for buyers. While it's a strong contender, the EurKitchen doesn't include stainless steel components, which some users might prefer for long-term durability. Additionally, at nearly $37, it's not the cheapest aluminum option available. However, its 4.4-star rating and glowing reviews make it clear that this dispenser delivers excellent performance and value for its price. If you're looking for a mid-range option with a professional feel, this is the one for you. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the EurKitchen Professional Aluminum Whipped Cream Dispenser, priced at $38.99. This model is very similar to the previous EurKitchen product, but with a few refinements that justify the slight price increase. Like its sibling, this dispenser features an all-aluminum construction with a stylish black satin finish. It's durable, lightweight, and designed for both home and professional use. What sets this model apart is its attention to detail. The reinforced threads ensure a leak-free experience, and the included accessories, 3 decorating nozzles, a cleaning brush, and a mesh storage bag, make it a complete and convenient package. Whether you're making whipped cream, keto toppings, or nitro cold brew coffee, this dispenser delivers consistently excellent results. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty, reflecting EurKitchen's confidence in their product. The only real drawback is the lack of stainless steel components, which some users might prefer for added durability. However, with a 4.5-star rating and rave reviews, this model is a top choice for those seeking a high-quality aluminum dispenser with a professional edge. If you want premium performance without stepping into the stainless steel price range, this is a fantastic option. Finally, at number 1, we have the Otus Classic 304 stainless steel whipped cream dispenser. This premium option is priced at $74.99, making it the most expensive product on our list, but for good reason. Crafted entirely from 304 food-grade stainless steel, this dispenser is built to last and withstand heavy-duty use. Its commercial-grade quality makes it ideal for professional chefs and serious home cooks alike. The Otis Classic comes with a wealth of accessories including 3 decorating nozzles, 4 injector tips, and 6 interchangeable silicone bands for grip and style. This makes it one of the most versatile dispensers on the market. The stainless steel construction not only offers superior durability, but also ensures that your whipped cream remains chemical-free and safe. Whether you're making cream, mousses, or even infusing cocktails, this dispenser can handle it all. The only downside is the price. It's a significant investment compared to the other options on this list. Additionally, it's not dishwasher safe, which means you'll need to clean it manually. However, with a 4.5-star rating and glowing reviews, the Otus Classic is the undisputed champion for those who want the best of the best. If you're serious about your whipped cream game, this is the dispenser to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.